How to connect PayPal to Gumroad. Want to let customers pay you through PayPal on Gumroad? Here's how you can do that step by step. So, PayPal is one of the most trusted payment methods worldwide. Connecting it to Gumroad makes checkout easier for your customers. So, to enable PayPal, you need at least $100 in Gumroad sales and one successful payout. PayPal must also be available in your country. So log into your Gumroad account and click on settings. And then from here, head over into the payments tab and then go ahead and set your country. So to ensure prompt payouts, please check off each item. And then after that, click on save. Now in here, you need to select the payout schedule along with the payout method. So simply select PayPal from here. Once you have selected that, you should click Connect PayPal and you'll be redirected to PayPal to log in and authorize Gumroad. Once connected, PayPal will appear as a checkout option for your customers. Earnings will now be deposited in your PayPal account. Now take note that you cannot find the PayPal option under the payout method if you haven't had made $100 in sales and one successful payout on Gumroad. So you need to accomplish that first before you get the PayPal option for the payment method. So once connected, PayPal will appear as a checkout option for your customers. Earnings will be deposited into your PayPal account. Refunds and chargebacks are still handled through Gumroad. So you can disconnect PayPal anytime in the payouts page. Connecting PayPal to Gumroad is simple, but make sure you meet the requirements first. Now you're ready to accept PayPal payments on Gumroad. More payment options mean more sales. And that is how you can connect PayPal to Gumroad.